In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see calendar on Salesforce. If you've logged into Salesforce and wondered where your calendar is or how to get to it quickly, this walkthrough is for you. We're going to start from the standard Salesforce homepage and customize the top navigation so the calendar is always just one click away. First, log into your Salesforce account as you normally would. Once you're on the main home screen, move your attention to the very top bar. On the right-hand side of that bar, you'll see a small pencil icon. This icon is used to customize your navigation. Go ahead and click that pencil icon. As soon as you click it, a pop-up window will open. This is where you can control which items appear in your top navigation bar. In the top right corner of that pop-up, you'll see an option that says Add More Items. Click on Add More Items. The pop-up will refresh to show you all the different items that you can add. On the left-hand side of the pop-up, make sure that all is selected. This tells Salesforce to show you the full list of available items, not just a filtered set. Now you can either scroll down through the list or, to save some time, use the search bar at the top of the pop-up. Click into the search bar and type the word calendar. You should now see calendar appear in the results. To add it to your navigation, look for the small plus icon to the right of calendar and click that plus icon. This tells Salesforce that you want to include the calendar as one of your main navigation items. Once you've done that, look down to the bottom right corner of the pop-up and click the button that says Add One Nav Item. This confirms your choice. After that, you'll see an option to save your new navigation settings. Click Save. Now wait a moment while the page refreshes. When the home page reloads, look again at the top navigation bar. You should now see calendar listed along with your other navigation items. Finally, click on calendar. Your main dashboard view will switch over to the calendar view, where you can see your events, tasks, and other scheduled items, depending on how your Salesforce setup is configured. From now on, whenever you log in, you'll be able to get to your calendar quickly just by using that top navigation link.